Good afternoon, dear traders. This is Alex Gerchik, the president of the company Gerchik Co, and very good trader as well. Today is the usual Monday, and today we're going to talk about the Forex market. It's going to be basically our last webinar for the Forex market in 2016. First of all, what I want to begin with, I want to wish everyone a very nice 2017. Thank you very much. Who becomes our customer. Mitch. Thank you very much, basically, who become our customer, and I want to thank you very much again for choosing our company. Second of all, I want to wish everyone a happy new year in 2017. For you to make money. Obviously, you know, the money, it's not the most important thing, but you know one thing for a fact: when you have no money, you know, you start having the problems. And unfortunately, money in this world is dry. So basically, I wish everyone in 2017 to make as much money as possible so you can buy anything you want. And hopefully me and my company will help you and show you how. What I want to begin with, again, I'm going to start with the charts, and we're going to talk about the levels that we had before. Anyway, we're going to start with the euro dollar, and if you remember, I said it way before that if euro, it's going to go all the way down to 1-to-1. I still continue to believe that, and as you can see, the prognosis are working very well, and looks like the euro will go to 1-to-1, and the euro is going to have a big issue. I mean, there is a problem in Italy, there's a problem in England, and hopefully they're going to fix their problem, and only then we can basically see the comeback for the euro dollar. But for now, the euro looks extremely weak, and as you can see, it's been a very strong level of 104.586 right here at the level, and if we're going to stay below 104.586, then we have all the chances to go 1-to-1 for the euro dollar, and only if we're going to basically break 104.586, only then we have a chances to go a little bit higher. But for now, as I said before, beginning of the next year, somewhere maybe January, maybe even early, I mean maybe January, February, we can see the euro 1-to-1 to the US dollar, and then basically it's very hard to say what's going to be. Second of all, it's a British pound. And if you remember, I said about the British pound has the same levels as it has before. The first higher level was 127.595. Take a look. Basically, we had a false breakout right there. And for now, we look very weak. And a British pound, if British pound is going to break level 123.32 right here. And as you can see, the levels from before, they did not change. Then the British pound is going to go lower. So what do we have right now? We have a channel or a range of 125 to 123 right here, 200 points range. And if British pound, as I said before, it's going to break 123.32, then British pound has all the chances to go all the way down to 121. If British pound is going to break level of 125 to the high side, it has all the chances to go to 126. Another one is the Australian dollar as well. Worked out very well for us. We said it before. If the Australian dollar is going to break 0.7335 right here, just a little bit higher, then Australian dollar is going to go lower. Take a look, we're already down almost 70 points. And for now, let's make it just a little bit bigger. And as you can see, this is the low side of the Australian dollar, 0.7181. It basically has all the chances to go all the way lower. The levels are still the same, 0.7328 or 0.7181. That's the levels for the Australian dollar. So Australian dollar looks very weak, and it has a level of 7.7181 to go to. Another one is the New Zealand dollar. Right here is a New Zealand dollar. By New Zealand dollar, we also said 132. I'm sorry, 0.70. If it's going to be breaking 0.70 right here. The New Zealand dollar has all the chances to go lower. That's the low side of the level right here. Take a look, 0.68372. So New Zealand dollar has all the chances right now to go lower all the way down to 0.68. If New Zealand dollar is going to manage to go to 0.69, 0.7 and higher, then it has all the chances to go to 0.72. But for now, take a look. It's weak and it has all the chances to go to the all the way down side of the level. Canadian dollar also, it's been basically a good hit for us. I said it before about the Canadian dollar, 132.77. If it's going to break 132.77, it has all the chances to go to 131. We went lower to 131, and right now, as you can see, we're basically trading at the same levels as we managed before. Right here, 0.33945, 0.32251. That's the next level, and 0.35. So as you can see, the range and levels are still the same. Nothing is changing. The levels basically the same. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Basically, the range is the same. We have all the way 128.62, 130, 131.50, 133.90, 134.251. So basically, as you can see, all the levels that we've drawn before, they are working fine, and they show basically the same levels as we drawn before with you guys. Another one is the Japanese yen. Big hit for everyone. I said it once. Japanese yen is going to break 114.60, is going to fly out, and take a look. There was a level 114.70, broke 114.70 and went all the way almost to 119. That's the only level of 116 where the Japanese yen basically can pull back. For now, it looks extremely strong. It's very hard to short because a lot of people losing a lot of money. People saying, you know, it's going up and up. It's went already almost 15%, and it's not pulling back. My advice to you, try not to short tops. If you short tops, only in case when you have a very strong stop. Like for example, only here at 116 a level, you have a very strong stop, and only here you have a chance basically to get to the short position and make some money. Gold was extremely good for us. If you remember, and I said it, that once the gold is going to break 1162, it's going to go all the way down to 113. You see, it didn't go down yet to 114, 13. It went down to 122, 1122. But gold did broke 1162 and it went all the way down. It went down $40. It went down very fast, and it did, as you can see, it has no pullbacks. It's going from almost went down over $200. It's almost 20%, and it's going lower and lower. And as you can see, the gold has no stop. Probably the first stop where the gold is going to be, it's a 115, and then if we're going to break 115, then we're going to see what's going to be with gold. Oil as well, as you remember, I said at once it's going to break 5180 right here, 5190. The oil is going to go much higher. As you can see, oil went up almost to $55. It went straight $3 per contract. So the oil did work out very well. What's going on with oil right now? You see, as you can see, there's a very strong level of 51.90. Once basically the oil will hold down to over 51.90, it has all the chances to go back to $54 and higher. And if the oil is going to go to 51.60, then the oil, has a chance to go much lower. But for now, as you can see, oil does holding above 51.90 and has all the chances to stay there and go higher. And the last one, if you remember, we added up Swiss franc. I said once Swiss franc is going to go above 101, it's going to go higher. And take a look, it went above 101. It went all the way to 103.5. Swiss francs looks very well. It looks extremely strong, and it basically has all the chances to go higher. My dear friends, 2016 basically it was a very good year for our company. Basically, we make money, you make money, you become our customers, we become our firm, and I want for 2017 to be the same way. We want to be your company, and we want you to be our traders. I want to thank you very much for all those who basically become our customers in 2016. I want to thank you very much again for all the help you provide to our company. And I want to thank you very much. And I wish you in 2017 that you become much better trader than you are right now. And we're going to help you as a Gerchik Company. Thank you very much. It's been Alexander Gerchik and a Gerchik Company, and we wish you all the best in 2017. Thank you.